Good morning. As fidget toys are becoming increasingly popular, today I'm gonna show you how to 3D print a fidget stick. First of all, I have created my design in my favorite CAD software, and I am basically making a cylinder which has a hole in it. Then I can export the model as an STL file and load it onto Cura, where I have changed a few settings. 30 minutes in, I realized that the print was going to take forever and that I was wasting a whole lot of material. I cancelled the print and I also found my walls to be unnecessarily thick. Back in the CAD software, I make a shorter improved version of the model. We now can load it onto Cura, change the print settings and export the G-code. After about 1 hour and 45 minutes, the print was complete. We can now sand the edges with the help of sandpaper. I am cutting 2 small squares of craft foam in order to make the 2 ends of the stick. It would be better to use rubber if you have some. I can now hot glue 2 marbles on each end with another one which is loose in the middle. They will serve as our weights. Actually, removing the middle marble gives us much better results. There it is, guys. Even though I am terrible at it, here's the fidget stick. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.